Hi everyone, in this video I'll be sharing 10 of my recent favorite summer crochet patterns. Each pattern is completely free and linked below in the description. I also tested each and every one of these so you guys know exactly what the difficulty level is and how long each project takes. Most of these patterns are beginner friendly and are quick projects you can finish in one afternoon. Let's get started. First is this adorable otter crochet pattern by Abbyville Studio. This otter is honestly one of my favorite patterns I've made so far, and it's a perfect amigurumi project for summer. You can turn it into a keychain or even use a larger yarn weight and hook so it becomes a full-size huggable plushie. It is beginner friendly and takes around an hour and a half to finish. You can find the full pattern and tutorial for free on my channel, and it's also linked in the description below. Next is this pretty plumeria flower clip by Mahim Crochets. This is a quick and easy project with no sewing at all. You only need to make 5 petals and glue them together, so the whole project only takes around half an hour to 45 minutes. My favorite part is adding the blush onto the flower. It's just so fun to do. This hair clip looks super pretty for summer photo shoots, especially in the sunsets. This project is beginner friendly and you can find it on YouTube. She also has a written pattern for the flower petals on her blog. The next pattern is these watermelon pads for the kitchen by Nastasia. These are perfect for summer and the bright colors are super fun. You can use this as a pot holder or a coaster. This project is also beginner friendly and is worked in mostly double crochet stitches. I finished mine in around an hour and a half. This pattern is a YouTube tutorial and is linked in the description. Number 4 is this jellyfish pattern by ETM Studio. This is technically a 2-in-1 pattern because you can make a jellyfish or an octopus. Jellyfish are one of my favorites to crochet because they require literally no sewing and work up pretty quickly in about an hour and a half. This pattern is a YouTube tutorial and is beginner friendly. I made mine into a keychain and it turned out great. Next is this super fun pool floaty coaster by Cutie Pie Crochet. This is perfect for using on a hot summer day to hold your drinks. Since it's stuffed, it also keeps drinks from falling over. These pool floaty coasters can be any color you like and take around 2 hours to complete. I recommend this for more intermediate crocheters because working in the joint rounds is a little bit more difficult to understand without a YouTube tutorial. You can find this on Cutie Pie Crochet's blog post and it's linked in the description. Number 6 are these adorable crabs by Eggs and Floof. This pattern is low sew and a great project for markets. Each crab only takes an hour to finish. You can find the full written pattern for free on Ribbler, which is also free, but you do need to make an account. It won't take very long though, and once you have it, you can enjoy so many free patterns. This project is for intermediate crocheters because the claws are a little bit hard to make, but I definitely recommend it. Next is this mesh produce bag by My Poppet Makes. I don't know about you, but summer is the best season for eating fruit. These produce bags are perfect for picking fruit from your backyard or when you're doing grocery shopping. There's even a drawstring for closing the bag. You're also helping out the planet by not using plastic bags. This project is very beginner friendly. The entire pattern is made out of single crochet and chain stitches. This took me about 2 hours to complete, and you can find this on the blog My Poppet Makes linked below. Next is this bandana pattern by Little Things. I loved making this bandana in bright colors, and it's such a great accessory for hot summer days to keep your hair out of the way. Little Things explains this project so well and is great for beginners. Mine took about an hour and a half to make. The pattern is simple and repetitive once you get it down, and the border is so much fun to make. You can find this tutorial on YouTube and it's linked below. Last but not least is this adorable whale pouch by ATM Studio. I've had this for over 2 years now, you can tell by how dirty it is, and it's still on my bag. This pouch is the best bag charm because it can hold everyday small items such as AirPods and chapstick. It looks so cute on a summer tote bag. This is beginner friendly and you can find it on YouTube. Mine only took me 2 hours to make. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try these patterns out. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and share. It helps me out so much so I can continue making more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye!